Too many Toyotas. Hello everybody, this is Triple T or Too Many Toyotas with a big video today. I am done with my 4a-ge swap, at least for the moment. I have it running, and there'll be a video of it running in a minute, but I'm not going to well, I might start it and pull it in the garage at the end of this little video here. But, basically, yeah, I skipped a bunch. So the last video I did was like when I had the engine mounted in the car. I skipped all the wiring, I skipped all the other stuff. And I mean, you can see everything's done. I had like different size coolant hoses I had to put on with like little connectors and stuff, and I had to build a battery tray because the old one didn't fit anymore. Had to make a fuel line connection system because the old one wouldn't fit. And then I put in that clutch reservoir with that like thing there, and I think it's actually leaking, so I gotta try and bleed it again. It's leaking somewhere. I don't know, but I know for a fact the clutch is kind of dodgy right now. And then yeah, I mean, it runs. Alright, we're driving it. I just went and got gas. I'm actually filming this before the rest of the video, so... I'm going easy on it, it's not tuned right yet. And the wheel's way off. Yeah. It's also running very rich.
Yeah, it's spitting fire.
Anyway, yeah, I had it tuned last night. Or, well, I've had it at the tuners for about a week. And he just got it running. It's a really rough tune. You'll see that in the video. It doesn't sound good at all. But I included in the price, I have a dyno appointment scheduled, so we're going to get it tuned up better then. But right now the limiters are set super low and everything, and stuff like that. It's a little bit more than a base tune. He did tune it on the street. The biggest problem we're having right now is the coolant system is actually too efficient. I thought we'd have the opposite problem. Basically what happens is you can let the thing sit there and idle and get up to about 190, but then if you drive it down the street, you'll be stone cold in about less than a mile. So it either doesn't have a thermostat, the thermostat's stuck open, or the radiator's too efficient and I need to get a smaller radiator. So that, and the alternator's underperforming as well. So if I had a bad battery in here, this one I actually borrowed from the tuner, so I got to give that back. But well, number one, the headlights kill the idle, so I'm thinking it's alternator's not providing enough current. And then also I stalled it at a light, and then, well, I didn't stall it. The engine pretty much just cut off. The battery was too bad, and the alternator wasn't supporting it enough. So I got to get a new battery, new alternator, look into the cooling system, and then what else? I don't know. It just in preparation for our tuning thing.
Dyno run.
Yeah.
Then we'll see how much power it makes.
Hopefully 125 to the wheels. That's what I hope for. Maybe a little less. I'm not hoping for anything big. You know, it's basically a stock engine. You know, there's nothing done to it besides the trumpets and the standalone ECU with the coil-on plug swap. Yeah, I told you in the other video, those are the 1N ZFE Toyota coils. And I had a bit of a coolant leak. One of our hoses came off in the tuning session, but still, there's a little bit of coolant residue, but nothing hurts. And yeah, and my IAT sensor up here from a GM 3800. Map sensor's over there. That's also GM 3800. And then I got my coolant thing for the gauge right there. Oil pressure for the gauge down there at the at this port. And then yeah, that's about it.
Yep.
Alright, I had to do a cut because my neighbor walked over here and wanted to ask us some questions. So, anyway, I went to the junkyard today. There is this massive junkyard in Gowan, and it's got a lot of old stuff, like really old stuff, like 60s, 70s, all the way up to now. So anyway, there wasn't actually a Pulsar there, or there was a Pulsar there, but not this one. I just found this bumper randomly laying around. It's the bumper from a 1.8. and it's got like the ground effect. See, this one's got like just this black piece down here. So I found this one that has the ground effect on it. And there's only one broken clip. It's right there. And just a little bit of a crack. So I'm gonna have that painted and installed. And then also that seat right there. I got a pair of front seats from a 1987 Sentra RZ1 SE. It's basically this but a coupe without the T-tops and the hatchback and all that. But so I got a pair of these. I'm gonna put these in. The rails should be nearly bolt in, if not a little bit of modification required. It's just that my seats are junk, so my seats look very shabby. So I wanted to get something nicer. So there you go. They're even blue, they match the car. So anyway, I'm gonna move this out of the way and I'll open the garage door over there and we'll do a shot of it rolling in. Anyway, this is Cricketteer 212 just signing off for now. I'll have more updates when we get the dyno tune done. I'll probably have a video of one of the runs. So, alright.